My name is Todd English. I work for Roush Yates Engines in Mooresville, North Carolina. My day-to-day responsibilities include Vice President of Marketing and Strategic Partnerships. Obviously, the skilled technician has been very important for our essential status. And I think looking at where we're at today, there is still a lot of growth in manufacturing. There's a lot of discussions from maybe U.S. companies about how we bring manufacturing back to the United States. So if you look at the forecast for jobs within the next few years, we think there's going to be great demand. I believe in the next few years, we'll see a lot of resurgence in American manufacturing. And I think for individuals that are looking to get into a skilled trade, manufacturing is very exciting because today we're actually machining components maybe for aviation. Tomorrow we'll be machining various types of components for medical. Maybe this week we'll also be machining parts for defense. So from a job outlook perspective or an employer perspective, we're looking for skilled trades that obviously have a good fit for our company. You'll also see continued investment, capital investment into automation. And we have to have skilled technicians that run these pieces of equipment. We have to have individuals that program this equipment. So for us, manufacturing, we believe in the next few years is very fascinating. Today's worker in a manufacturing setting has continuous improvement day in and day out. So from our particular perspective, online training is super important. Obviously today there could be the chance of, again, reduced travel to particular training sites. So when we look at future employment, we think online training is critical, not only in educational setting, but even once you join our particular workforce, we encourage our particular individuals, employees that are working for us to continue continuous improvement, which includes online training. Even when individuals join our workforce as a new hire or individuals that's been with us 10 or 15 years, there's a lot of encouragement. A lot of our individuals go back online training on their particular own time. Obviously, we do provide some training courses while they're at work, but we think that initiative, we think that ability to go back and have a continuous learning environment through virtual learning will be important today, will also be important for many years to come. UTI does an excellent job of preparing future students for the workforce. We are in constant communication with UTI about their curriculum and industry trends that students need to be prepared for. We also work hand in hand with their particular instructors going over relevant content. Recently, we have worked with UTI and their field team to actually organize and provide some educational pieces where they can continue to share with potential students. And obviously, we rely on UTI for high-quality graduates. When we hire these particular graduates, we expect, and UTI does a great job of not only training them on educational content, but also professionalism. We want to ensure they're the right fit for our particular company. And again, that's been a huge success with our relationship with UTI as we've hired over 115 students now. If I had a few minutes to share some advice for students that might be graduating, is to really follow their passion, follow their dreams. Also, while in school, take advantage of every opportunity that's out there. If there is an opportunity to intern with a particular company so you can understand that particular position or that particular job or maybe that employer. But I think UTI in general is providing a excellent platform for education, and please follow your particular careers and just understand that learning is a continuous environment. Again, even today we have graduates that's been here 10 or 15 years, and they're consistently looking at ways that they can continue to improve their skill sets. When we look for technicians to assist our particular engine programs, we first look at UTI. UTI has a well-developed plan about NASCAR racing engines and automotive engines and does an excellent job of providing particular content, training, hands-on education to ensure that when we hire a new hire, they hit the road running as soon as they join our workforce. We've hired over 115 UTI graduates since Roush Yates Engines was formed in 2004. We had an immediate need for skilled technicians to work in our engine shops. Since then, we have worked with UTI on an automotive and NASCAR program, as well as their CNC machining program to help develop and assist in curriculum. That way, when students enter our particular workforce, they're highly trained in this particular specific areas that we need. So it's been a tremendous and a great relationship with us, the school, the faculty, as well as the instructors at our local campus here in Mooresville, North Carolina.